Guys, welcome back. Tracy here with the House of Chuckles, and today's daily mask review I have got Grandpa from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, Grandpa here, when the 1974 Texas Chainsaw Massacre came out, Grandpa was 124 years old. And to be honest with you, Grandpa's my favorite character. I absolutely love the scene where he is feeding on the fingers of one of his victims, sucking the blood. That will just always stick out in my head. So strangely enough, Grandpa takes the cake for me, even above and beyond Leatherface. I really did love Grandpa. A little bit about this one. This one here is put out by Trick or Treat Studios, and I think it came out last year, but I'm not 100% sure on that one. He is, I know that some people have said, you know, that the paint job wasn't that good on him because he's lacking color. However, if you look at the screenshots of Grandpa, he didn't have much color. I mean, he was pretty plain face. You know, yeah, maybe they could have done a little bit in to bring out the texture a little bit, but really, he looks pretty dang close to, you know, to the screenshots. Now, as far as the stock photo, you know, that people sell him from, this is kind of a pearl color versus the stock photo is more gray. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with him. I'll get you some close-up shots. You know, he's got a lot of great details, but again, because he's kind of just one color, those details don't stand out that much, other than if maybe you had some lighting, you know, that would give it some shadowing. But yeah, I like Grandpa. He is really good. I think that they did a great job on him. And, you know, if coloring is a big issue with you, you know, you can always get it and do some rehaul on it because it does have just a lot of texturing. And I studied the screenshot really close, and like I say, I think he's pretty dang close to what it is. And I'll throw up some shots here for you to take a look at. He is, I would say the thickness of the latex it's kind of on the thin side. It's only about the thickness of a dime. So it is really kind of thin. I don't know if you can see that. Well guys, let me throw it on. Oh, I should mention the hair is actually sewn in. So it's not glued on, it's sewn in. But let's throw it on, we'll see how Grandpa fits. Wow, he fits really well. You can, even though his eye slits are not, you know, they're not very big. He only has nose holes. Ventilation was fine, and visibility was fine. There's also something else I should mention on the stock photo. On the stock photo, it appears his mouth is may have a slit in it, that it may be open. Here it's not. I mean, you could always cut it in if you wanted. I don't think I ever would, but anyhow, guys, I will put this on the carousel, let you watch it go around. Hey guys, have a great day. happy Thanksgiving tomorrow. I am going to do something. I might do something a little different tomorrow. But I will do a video tomorrow. And, have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Bye.